Today I'm going to show you how to work on a stuck hood release for a 72 model Chevelle. These cars did not come stock from the factory with a hood release inside of the vehicle. And sometimes that little lever in there gets stuck. Like this right here. And I'm just going to pull that loose and pry up at the same time, and then put it in the right spot. And where this is resting in its natural position, once you pull that up, it is right there. And once the lever is in its normal position, then all you have to do is reach under the license plate then that loosens your hood. You just open it up a little bit, just pushing this hook back a little bit, then you can raise your hood up. And if you want to see how it looks on the hood, so the next time you have problems opening your hood on your 72 Chevelle, now you know what the potential problem may be and how the hood release is set up. Thanks for watching. Make It Work, Dan.